Hello and welcome back to another Art Fabula video. My objective from 2024 has been yet to be defined. But one thing that I have clear for sure is that I want to make more things by myself. Of course, I will produce all the toy abroad because this is the only way I have. I have factories that are working with me and I need these factories, so I will continue to make toys in those factories. But the things that I would like to make more by myself are the toys that are going to be more like a personal project. And what I mean with personal project is, yes, well, I will make small toys, I will make the toys here at the studio, and I will print them and sell them and paint them by myself. So all the production, everything, I will try to do it by myself. But the only problem I see, or the only problem I can find in this word that I said before, is that I need to control the process from the beginning to the end. Well, I can control a few of these processes, for example the design of the toy, the 2D design of the toy, but not the 3D design of the toy. I can control the communication and changes with the 3D modeler, but I can't do this 3D modeling by myself, all these changes by myself. I can, for example, make the factory produce 100 toys for me, but I can't produce 100 toys by myself because it's impossible. So this is what I mean that the statement, the theory of this statement is right, but in reality is more difficult than that. Well, 2024, the objective, make more toy by myself. And then I need to learn new skills to produce these toys. So I have been thinking about choosing one program and learn the program. I have 3 programs to choose from, and one of them is the best of all, is ZBrush. ZBrush is one of the best programs there is out there to produce, to sculpt, and is the one that the industry is using, both for toys, from films, movies, everything. So ZBrush, absolutely. This is one of the best and the one that I should have learned from the beginning. The problem with ZBrush is that it's very difficult to learn. It has a step learning curve, and also it is very expensive. Here in Sweden it's around more than $40 each month. And it's going to take a few months before I can get the money back, if I ever get the money back. Because maybe I found that this is not for me. But well, ZBrush, and then the other one is Blender, the one that is free and cheap. I have downloaded to my computer and I have tried to experimenting with it, and I feel it, well, I feel that it's good enough, but maybe not the best, the more enjoyable to work with. I don't know why. The third one, and I think that's the one that I enjoy most, is here. Here is the third program. The third program is called Nomad Sculpt. Nomad Sculpt is a 3D modeling app for the iPad, and for me it's one of the easiest and one of the most, well, fun to work with. It's very easy to begin and has a very intuitive UI. So, well, I have been trying to create a character. I'm trying to model a character in 3D in this Nomad Sculpt. And I'm going to show you the next steps. I'm going to show you the character here in Nomad, then I'm going to show you also the character when I'm putting the slides in and in the 3D program, and then when I'm printing it. So let me show you the new character. I hope you like it. Well, this here is the character that I have been working and is the one called, I don't know what it's called. It's the first time I show you, but I put the name Batogong. That's well, some kind of game with the gecko. And this one is some kind of bat, yes, with two faces. The first face is this one here, and the other face is, well, this one here. But this is the character I have been working with, Nomad Sculpt on the iPad, and this, well, it's been taking a lot of time because I didn't know how to sculpt, I didn't know how to do the things here in Nomad, but I think it came, well, very well and very personal style. This is the kind of style that I usually do by myself in my drawings and in my more personal characters that I'm working with. This one is the character I will try to print in the new printer because, well, that's something that also need to present to you, the new 3D printer. So here we go. So this is a new 3D printer. I have an old one, also an Elegoo. This is an Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra, and the best thing with this is that it has a big plate to print on it. It's a lot of bigger than the old one. If you see here the Cure machine, it has more or less the same size as the old one, as my old printer, so you can see the height and the wide difference with the old one. This is a big machine, very big machine, but a very good one. I haven't tried. I have heard that it is going to print very fast, but I'm very satisfied with the quality of this machine. So I hope it works as I hope it works, and I'm going to show you for the first time the printing this new character that I made with Nomad Sculpt in this new printer. And I hope you get some kind of inspiration to make your own art toy. So let's begin with the program and the slicing of the toy there. Well, I have here the file for the Batagon, and I send it from the iPad to this Shitterbox app, and I'm going to prepare it for the printing. I need to scale, I need to choose a scale, and then I'm going to send it to the printer. Let's see how it goes. Well, the program says that it's going to take around 2 hours to print a 12 centimeters toy. So let's see if it's true. I'm going to send the print now to the printer. Well, I have sent the file here to the printer and I'm going to print it. It's here, the Batagon, it's ready to print. And for that, I'm going to use this rapid Elegoo resin. I will put it on the plate, and then I will put these filters that came with the printer. The other one has similar but smaller filters, but they didn't have these USB connectors that connects with the printer here in the back. The problem is that I always forgot to charge the battery of the filters, and I didn't use it too much. But now I have a USB and I will never ever forget to put it in the printer. But let's put the print, and be careful, don't do as I do, put some kind of mask or something like that. I will do it fast. I think it should be okay with that. And then I will install right now the USB Elegoo filters. Yes, there. Then I will put the protection. And then just try if it works. I hope this thing works. It's working here. It's going to take around 1 hour and 15 minutes. I will put also these. I will use also my air purifier because, well, I don't want to die here. So let's do this. Let's get this working, and then I will come back when I have the result in a few minutes. So see you soon. Okay, I think we are safe. I'm going to show you very fast this and get out of here as soon as possible. But this is the toy that I create in Nomad. I hope you can see the toy front and back. Let me show you this clearly. So this is the toy I made, the toy I created. This is made by with Nomad Sculpt on the iPad and then printed in the new machine. It took around, well, 2 hours, less than 2 hours, and I think it's an incredible quality of the machine. I don't see any problems at all. I can, well, paint it like this. I love it. I love this new thing that I'm going to do with Artfabula. Well, as you see, I'm just trying a few things. I'm just trying 3D modeling just to make these kind of toys, resin toys or smaller toys, a little more personal projects, separate from the bigger ones, from the gecko one and from the olds, the normal ones. So just to mix and make some funny things in between. I hope this video inspires you to take the computer, to take the iPad and begin to make your own toys, printing and make everything by yourself. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and then see you on the next video next week. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.